getting warm in here, man. All right, guys, so today we're gonna be doing a cleaning of the engine bay in the Mark 7 GTI. So this is a 2017, and I have yet to clean the engine bay in the 4 years that I've owned it, and I've ran the car in the winter ever since I got the car. So it is, it's pretty dirty and disgusting. Now, I have something that I think that you guys are gonna think is interesting, and let me show you that right now. So I'm gonna be using this. I picked this up at, I think it was Busy Beaver for about 15 bucks, like $14.99. And the reason why I think that's gonna be really cool, it's actually a pesticide sprayer, so you pump it, has pressure, and you spray it. One of the biggest issues and concerns with cleaning your engine bay is not getting water in places that you don't want it. You don't want to use pressurized water that's going to be squirting into the alternator, coil packs, that kind of stuff. There's a lot of electronics in these newer cars that you really don't want to get water into, and that's going to really help us control the spray of water and the amount of water that gets put in. So let's get to it. Let's crack open the hood, see just how bad it is, and start cleaning it. Now guys, one of the very first things that we are gonna do is gonna be taking a sweeper, my shop vac. We're gonna be cleaning up all the loose debris, the leaves, all that kind of stuff. But I'm gonna be taking a little kind of bristle brush type deal, and we're gonna be breaking up any type of debris, any dirt that we can loosen up so that it can be sucked by the shop vac. So that's what we're gonna do now. The next thing that we're gonna do is get ready to spray this down with like a pre-rinse. The fuse box is something you always wanna think about covering up. This actually has a really nicely insulated fuse box. It looks like it's sealed up pretty well, and I don't think there's gonna be any issues with water getting in it. I am gonna try and put a little bit of covering over the alternator. You don't wanna get water in there, I mean, that's all electricity. So I'm gonna do that now, either putting this on or just duct taping over it, but we need to cover that up before we do the pre-rinse. All right, so the alternator is all covered up, guys. I have put that little plastic baggie on there. We are gonna go ahead and use a pre-rinse, just some water in our little 1 gallon pressurized soaker. So we need to fill it up real quick, and then we can start pre-washing everything, just get it kind of a little bit wet. And then we'll go ahead and use our degreaser that we have from Car Clean Systems. We have a 200 citrus degreaser, which is kind of like a step back from the 100, which is a super potent degreaser. This stuff is made for engine bays. It's made for just getting nasty build up in dirt and grease off stuff without having to worry about it harming anything. So let's go ahead and do our pre-spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix up our degreaser. So if this goes well, we will have used less or equivalent to 1 gallon of water for cleaning the entire engine bay, and I think we're gonna be able to do it. So as you guys just saw there, we used a little tiny bit of water, just maybe a couple seconds of spraying just to be able to coat everything, get it pre-rinsed, get it ready to be able to put the degreaser on. And we're gonna be able to put that on, agitate it, and hopefully it comes really nice and clean.